Assalamu alaikum students. This video lecture is for pre-9th class subject physics chapter number 2, and today our topic is object moving with constant speed. Students, in last video we discussed object at rest with the help of graph, and today we will discuss object moving with constant speed with the help of graph. Students, you know that speed is the distance covered by body in a unit time is called speed, and if body covers equal distance, as you can see, in equal intervals of time, then speed is constant. From this graph we can see that body is in motion. How? Because continuously body is changing its position from origin with the passage of time. You can see after 5 seconds body is 10 meters away from the origin. After 10 seconds body is 20 meters away from the origin, and after 15 seconds body is 30 meters away from the origin. So body is changing its position, so we can say that body is in motion, and distance covered in unit time, it's called speed. And you can see that equal distance, body is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time, so we can say that speed is constant. Now the speed of object, how we will draw the speed of object from this graph? This slope of line gives us the speed of object. You can see that slope of line AB, this gives us speed of object. How? Because distance from 10 meters to 30 meters, it becomes 20 meters distance. So distance EF, which is equal to 20 meter, and time taken in covering this distance is from 5 to 15 seconds, mean 10 seconds. So 20 over 10, it becomes 2 meters per second, because unit of distance is meter and unit of time is second, so 2 meter per second. So speed of the object from E to F is 2 meter per second. So in next video we will discuss object moving with variable speed. Thank you.